Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my little mini-me is down there. Say hi, baby. So she took a nap, but woke up, so she'll be in this video with me, guys. So I do apologize if the glare on my glasses is bothering you guys. I mean, I won't be able to see myself talk, and I like to see myself talk clearly on camera, so sorry. So I recently partnered with Fabfitfun, and I was so excited when they reached out to me because I've literally seen this box like advertised everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, literally every girl's talking about it. So they recently released their spring editors box, and the reason why it's like called their summer box or spring box, fall box is because it is a seasonal subscription. It's $50 for a seasonal box full of full-sized items. And now you have the option to kind of choose what you want in your box to kind of customize it a little bit more. You can't customize the whole box, but there's certain items where you can choose which one you want over the other. So it's not just makeup that comes into the box, it's fashion, beauty, lifestyle stuff. There's like, I've seen jump ropes in that thing before. So everything is pretty much random, and all the products inside the box is kind of made for that season. So I will be showing you guys what is in my spring editors box. If you guys do want to sign up, I will leave my coupon code down below and you can get your first box for only $40. So that saves you guys $10. All right, so enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's in my box. All right, so here is what the box looks like. It is so stinking cute. Like, I will never throw this box away. I'm probably gonna like turn it into like a memory box or something. Everything about the packaging is just adorable. So I was gonna save the unboxing for my video here, but I was like a little bit too excited, and so I kind of went ahead and dug into it. So I'm just gonna show you guys in random order all the stuff that's in my box. So here it is. Ooh, goodness, I'm about to hit myself. It's a little bit messy, but whatever, as long as I show you guys what's inside. So the first item is this beach towel here, and let's see, what does it say? What does it say? It says, beach please. All right, so it is really cute. So it's yellow and pink and just super summery, and it's just your regular beach towel. So inside is a little magazine here, and it's just full of kind of like random stuff about fitness, beauty, all sorts of awesome stuff. And then there is also a $50 gift card to this HelloFresh. I think this is like a meal plan kind of thing. And then what is this? This is a $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. Ooh, that's for me. And then this is just a little note from them. All right, and then here is a little tray. It is so stinking cute. This is by Summer and Rose. So it's just a little tray that you can put soap in, rings in, make it whatever you want. This here is a nail and cuticle serum. So I live in Colorado now. I'm from California, but I recently moved to Colorado, you know, after I got married, and my skin is just disgusting. Like, it is so dry. My callus has never been so bad. My cuticles, as you can see, my nails just, they're so crusty. Plus I'm a nail technician, so I don't like doing my nails too much besides having like color on it. But even that I don't have on it right now. So I'm gonna try this stuff out. Ooh. It smells really good and natural. Okay, that feels amazing. So it's just cuticle oil. That's all. Ooh, girl, you okay? So next up is this Murad Renewing Eye Cream. This is the Resurgence line. I used to work at Sephora, and I absolutely love Dr. Murad and all of his products. Like, it truly does work, guys. So I'm super excited that I got this in here because this thing here is expensive. I believe the eye cream is like 50 to 60 bucks on its own, but I forgot. I mean, I stopped working there, so. But yeah, it's expensive, guys. Ooh. So here it is. It's like a really nice light cream for the under eyes, and it really helps to like lift and tighten the under eye area. Okay, so next up here is this Ahava Mud Leave On Dead Sea Mud Dermud Intensive Foot Cream. Ooh. So it's a foot cream. So it's crazy because I didn't customize anything in this box. It was just sent out to me. And like everything is like spot on. Like, it's what I need, and yeah. So my feet, like I said, are so freaking crusty right now. They're like, ugh, just really, really bad. I know, she's telling you guys it's really bad too. So I'm gonna try this. I haven't tried this on, or I haven't tried it out on my feet. So when I try it on, I will let you guys know. So it's pretty much just for dry feet. Next up is this Levito body lotion, and it's mandarin orange and bergamot. I think that's how you say it. Wow, like seriously, I love fresh smelling stuff. Like, if you know me, I don't wear perfume. I mean, I like clean smelling stuff, but like I'd rather smell like my fabric softener and detergent than like sweet smelling perfume. It just gives me a headache. So like all my candles and stuff is like very fresh, or like smells like food, you know? Just can't take anything like sweet and floral-y. So I love anything citrus, lemony, anything natural. Okay, that doesn't smell amazing. It just smells natural. And then the next product is this Tarte Drink of H2O Moisturizer. So once again, this is also a product that you can purchase at Sephora. And this retails for about like $40. So it's, hey, come back. Anywho, it's a very lightweight moisturizer. I love this because as you can see, it looks very like watery. And when you put it on, you're not gonna feel like a sticky, lotiony, thick residue. It's very like lightweight, and like once you blend it into your skin, it's literally like a splash of water just kind of like getting absorbed into your skin. And it smells so fresh, like it smells citrusy. And then last but not least, y'all, I got this really cool duffel bag. It's called 11 by Venus. So I don't really know what that brand is, but now I do. I mean, I have something from them. And it's just a little duffel bag. Well, thank you guys so much for taking your time to watch my video of me unboxing my Fabfitfun box. Once again, I do have a coupon code that I will leave right here and also down in the description bar. You can get your first box for only $40. And everything in this box retails for like $200, like all together, sometimes even more. So yeah. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.